Let's give you a quick breaking update. On your screens will be images right now that have come in of an important meeting between the Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, who's spoken to students. He's assured them. He was sitting with them for some time around, and all this, remember, is coming amongst a lot of glamour that has been raised, particularly not just by students, by the opposition alike, that there needs to be a retest. The Supreme Court obviously is looking at the matter. It's apprised of it. It has seen the affidavits of both the centre, the NTA. So what really has transpired in this meeting? Do we have any update? We'll connect with Tejshri, who's just going to join us live in a moment to get you exactly those details. But right now, like I said, the Supreme Court is where you have all these bunch of petitions that have been put forward. The court listening into the entire case that has been put forward by the petitioners who call for a retest. On the other side, you have the government that says that because there has not been any instance of a mass malpractice, it is not fair to have a retest. That has been the stand of the government right from day one. But on your screens are images of a meeting that was held earlier today as the Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan got over a few of these NEET aspirants, speaking to them, allaying their concerns, and again reiterating that the government will continue to stand with students and ensure, Tejshri, that their future is protected. But has that assurance been welcomed by the students? Do we have any idea of what happened in the meeting?
Well, yes, in fact, this is a very important meeting where Dharmendra Pradhan met the students today. And in fact, remember that this is not for the first time when he is meeting the NEET aspirants. Earlier also, when the controversy of alleged paper leak had erupted and students were protesting outside the Education Ministry, he called the students representative and the parents of students as well, where he met them and assured that necessary steps will be taken. And in fact, in today's meeting also, he has assured the students that necessary steps will be taken and that their career is not at stake, because students have been preparing for this particular examination for a couple of years, and then they have also put forward their point that how this particular delay will be affecting in their academic calendar as well, not just now but in the coming time. And that is why the students wanted that the process of at least the counselling should be started as soon as possible, and that the issue that they were facing, those all issues should be resolved. And Dharmendra Pradhan, the Education Minister, has assured them that all necessary steps will be taken and that the procedure will be started and that it will not affect their academic calendar as well. Back to you.
And Tejshri, we do know that even the counselling was for the moment, put off, considering that the entire case was in the Supreme Court. The government wanted to wait and watch. Now that the entire case has been adjourned till July the 18th, what happens to that? Any word from the NTA yet?
Well, as of now, there has been no official words as to what will be happening next. But yes, this is certainly the students. The students will have to wait till the next hearing, because now the ministry is saying that we'll work in accordance so as to whatever the court says. The ministry also says this, and the NT also says that until and unless there is some guidance from the court, until and unless they will not work in so far as exam is concerned. So they will wait so as to what court says, and then only they will be proceeding, say it be with further course of exam, the counselling, or in fact considering so as to whether the examination should be considered again or not.